Hey everybody, here's my review of the Samsung 2.1 channel soundbar. Now here's the thing about getting new TVs nowadays. Like every single TV you buy, you're gonna need a soundbar. And my wife and I, we pretty much strictly go with a Samsung soundbar. We really like the quality of the sound that it comes out of it. It's low profile, so it just disappears. This one is hooked up. Here, I'll show you what the back looks like there. It's hooked up with just two cables, one for power, one for the optic. And let me put it back here. So, and the quality of the sound comes out, and this one obviously comes with a woofer as well. The box there, you can see that there. Now, the quality of the sound, we'll do a little test here. So, it just rattles the whole house. It's amazing what sound can come out of just a little box there. So if you're using, I've used other brands, but the Samsung, they do know how to create these really well, and it just makes the movie watching experience all the better. So yeah, and we have several TVs. We always get this brand, because of just the quality and the ease of being able to hook it up and use it for movie night. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it, and I'd recommend it all over all the other brands.